Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pairing your research questions with the exact data you have. This is the only way to avoid wasted work. Once you list 3 specific questions, map each to variables and note sample size and missingness. Make sure to create a codebook and inclusion/exclusion rules now, because consistency prevents rework. Then run quick checks, value ranges, duplicates, and data types. These first actions get you from vague intent to a reproducible dataset ready for transformation. You now clean and transform with deliberate steps. Choose and document imputation or exclusion, then apply consistent scaling and encoding. Once done, derive variables that directly answer your hypotheses rather than inventing them later. For example, compute rates or standardized scores. Make sure to test model assumptions, linearity, independence, variance, and adjust or choose robust methods if violated. Simultaneously pre-register your analysis plan, so choices are fixed and transparent, but you finish by executing the pre-registered analyses and then immediately performing sensitivity checks and robustness tests to validate findings. Once done, present results with clear visuals, effect sizes, and confidence intervals, explaining practical meaning for readers. Make sure to archive version code and a data snapshot so results are reproducible. Troubleshooting tip: if results change with small preprocessing tweaks, trace input differences line by line and rerun minimal scripts to isolate the step causing instability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.